small group instruction using Imala.
Authoritarian sa classroom. Sabi nga nila, ang pag-aaral is continuous.
Or peer teaching po, kung saan pwede po natin i-pair po yung mga mas matatandang bata o kaya mas advanced na bata doon po sa mga mas bata po kaklase nila or mas stress.
Our reporter. Critical analysis. Remember, critical analysis. And what is critical analysis? Under critical thinking as well. Alright? Then we have hypothesis testing. Then we have objective